All right, let's check back in with meteorologist Robert Suhr, and all of us enjoying another beautiful day. I mean, I'd say almost picture perfect, but we know it gets cool once that sun sets, so what can we expect tonight if we're out and about?
We're in that time of the year where we got warm days, cool nights. Right. Eventually, it's going to be just cool days, cold nights. Yeah. So we're continuing that step down, and you'll see what I'm talking about with that 2 steps back for every step forward when I show you the extended forecast. But first, let's take a quick look back at September. Here's a look at our temperatures at XNA, Drakefield, and Fort Smith. Everybody in September was above average for the month, with Fort Smith being the warmest. Now, all of these not anywhere near all-time records for the month, right in the middle. So, yeah, it was warm, but it wasn't historically warm in September. We talk about precipitation. It was dry, just about 3 inches below average for our precipitation for September at XNA, Drakefield, and Fort Smith, which makes perfect sense when I show you the drought monitor, and you can see some of that extreme drought now back into Lafleur County, Sebastian and Crawford counties, portions of Franklin and Scott counties. Northwest Arkansas still in the moderately dry, but there's really no rain in the forecast, so these conditions may continue to deteriorate. Out there right now, yes, lots of sunshine, very gorgeous with temperatures in the 70s and 80s. Northwest Arkansas mainly in the upper 70s with a few lower 80s still hanging around. River Valley a few degrees warmer, mid 80s on average. Still, as we said in the beginning of the show, the humidity is so low it feels great. There's what's left of Ian, basically over Charleston, West Virginia right now. It's a post-tropical system, but it's still throwing rain into eastern Ohio, western and west central Pennsylvania, and a system up across the northern plains, Montana, and northwestern sections of North Dakota seeing a little bit of rain. For us, it'll be dry, maybe a cloud or two. That's about it. Waking up tomorrow morning, upper 40s and lower 50s. As we go through the day, by the noon hour, gorgeous temperatures, lower to mid 70s. If you got plans for a cookout tomorrow, or maybe you see these temperatures and you're thinking, yeah, we should cook out tomorrow. Fire up the grill with upper 70s and lower 80s by 5 o'clock. We'll quickly cool back off by the evening hours. Waking up Monday morning, upper 40s and lower 50s yet again. Lows tonight, Northwest Arkansas, mid 40s on average. I don't think we'll see 41 in Prairie Grove, but there could be an isolated 45, 46 or so. In the River Valley, upper 40s and a few lower 50s as well. And then tomorrow we will rebound again, a degree or two warmer than what we were today, lower to mid 80s. Now the extended forecast will be slightly above average Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. Then we'll have another very strong fall cold front swing through here Wednesday and into Thursday and start to cool us off. Notice those temperatures by this time next week, instead of being in the mid 70s, we're in the lower 70s and the upper 60s for highs. That's that, 2 steps back for every step forward that we're taking. Same thing in the River Valley. We're in the 80s this weekend. We're in the 70s next weekend as fall continues to take over our weather pattern. But no rain anytime soon, unfortunately. Stay with us. We'll check that hog store coming up after the break.